God. Oh God. Okay. 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 Hopefully everything's ready. Everything... Do we look okay? Ish? Our head is mostly intact. Be slightly higher. This one doesn't seem like it's one on the floor, unlike the other one. That was what made the other one tricky. My legs hurt. Just standing up actually makes my legs hurt. I might have overpromised 2 songs, but I will do my best. I will do my best in light of all this chaos. Okay. Okay, we're ready. Woo! My legs! Ow! Ow! Okay, we're flicks. We're gonna flip. Okay. Whew. Yes. This is easy. Well, actually, should we do some tree? Oh. Slide. Up. Oh, wait, this isn't the choreography. I need... Wait, hold on. I gotta get the dance one. This is the whole PV. Hold on. We need the dance. Sorry. Okay, back. We're back. We're back on track. Okay. I'm just into some tree right now. I'm feeling like it's similar vibes, really. Oh, okay. Oh God, it froze. I was buffering. I can't even see. I need my glasses. We're walking. Oh, we're sliding in. Oh, and we're now another dude. We're another dude. Oh, now we're another dude. Oh, we're spinning. Oh God, we're sliding. JK, did I say something about there's not floor? There's floor. Oh God, my legs! This was not the song! Wait, what are they doing? I can do that part! Oh my God, this is so much thighs! Slide! Holy crap! Slide. I want to be the guys that are just sitting there. He's like lassoing him? I got you, bro. Ow! That's dangerous. Okay. Hey! Oh God! I have to stand. We're just gonna be here for a second. Oh, jump! Oh God! Oh wait, we're treeing. We're treeing. We are a tree in the wind. We are exhausted. Okay. Too much jumping. Walking. We're walking. Oh God, what is that? What is that? Like, can I stay down here? Please. I don't. Mio! Oh wow, he's doing the double spin. Double spin. Oh, I'm cut. I'm cut. I couldn't talk as much. That one was a lot of That's a lot. That was a lot. Why did I say 2? Oh God. This is a gauntlet, guys. This is serious stream stamina shit. Gauntlet. Random words. How you like that? Breathing ASMR. Holy crap. Holy. The subs are literally still going. That is hilarious. That is amazing.